welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video is pretty exciting because if you're into K-style, you're gonna love going through this with me because I have no idea what clothes just came in. You know that my style is very like boobylicious, plot twist. Why did I say that like hardcore? So the representative at Yes Style that I am in contact with, she was like, hey, I picked out some clothes and sent you a little box. Bet. A lot of the pieces are things I wouldn't normally pick up for myself. So we're gonna try these K-style brands together today. So here's the first piece. The first thing I thought of was a cow when I saw this. So I was like, okay, this is a loose fit houndstooth cardigan. Couldn't be me. This is from the brand Dabba Girl. Holy shit, it's bulky. It is husky. Let's put it on. Do you see just how like heavy this material is? Cool bitches with you. Ah! Whoa! Bro, I would never pick this for myself. I would never pick this for myself. Wow. I feel like a rich cougar. Oh my gosh, I just had the best idea. Imagine this, right? Imagine this with a cute beret, a scarf, tights with thigh knee boots with a mini pleated skirt underneath. Oh my god, is it a whole look or what? Wait, pockets? Hold on. Do I look like a cow? Wait, wait. I feel that this cardigan can only come to life if you actually dress it up with accessories. Because if I just wear this alone, you'll look like Mimo. You guys have to follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna make the outfit happen. I'm so impressed that Dabba Girl actually carry such nice quality textured or material. You can tell when the shape is still there when I lift my arms. Very formed. And it's pretty good in length, I'd say. It's like mid-thigh for me. You better watch out and hold your bag. I think I'm still stuck on the idea. I'm still processing that I would never pick this out for myself. It challenges me to think outside of my normal box. Am I one of those street fashion gurus in Asia yet? This is from Lip Hop. I am so appreciative that Miss Girly knew I'm a huge Lip Hop fan. Oh my god. I mean, technically this is something I'd pick, but I don't know. I mean, okay. Why do I feel so shocked? It's super light fitting. I'm not a huge fan of the material. It sits in every dent of my body. You see literally my tummy jiggle. Do you see my ass jiggle at least? Is it there yet? Do I have an ass yet? Hello? Like how many hauls have I been in? Do the ass grow? That's just to show you how thin the fabric is. It is cute. I ain't gonna lie. Even the color is very neat. I'd wear a girdle underneath because the squishy is quite intense. And then we have zip up sweater, which I love. It is very light, similar texture to this material. I have a very short torso, so I highly appreciate the cut of the sweater. It has a loose fitting feel with this inside out kind of patching on the sweater. So you see there's outlining around the shoulders and wrists. It brings a very athletic touch to the look. If I can look like I can play ball, I also really like how this covers up a lot of the cleave and just like skin. She's a confident bitch. Ooh. What was that? Yeah, bitch! This is a very soft leather jacket. This looks very boxy and plain. Very masculine. Very like vanilla. Shut the front door. I judge way too much. Like, I still have you. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. I would never ever go for such a plain leather jacket. Super simple. Fits in the form of a blazer. The sleeves aren't overbearing. The cut comes right at my dips. My underwear line. Which is perfect to hide the no hips. Excuse me. Yeah. But still a little peekaboo for the boo-boo. I almost locked my knees. Wait, hold on. What a sunny day out here in Southern California. I'm kidding, I'm from Michigan. Wow, the birds. Wow, just love coffee. It's just so cold today. Oh, the sun's blinding. No pictures, please. I'm allergic. Oh my gosh, look at the view from here. Can you guys tell that I really like this? I wouldn't button it up because then it looks like a raincoat. I totally would wear this. Judging from how I saw it in the beginning, knock her right out. Are we best friends? Best friends! So this is from Chew, which we all know. Ooh! Missy girl, she really know me. Zip up hoodie, mini tank. She done did it again. Let's just appreciate the tank top on its own. Look how beautiful this color is. It is very snug and small. Fitting into this tank top, a journey, but a very satisfied journey. Some advice to my small chesty besties. If you want to plump your twins up, get a tank that's like a size or two smaller because here I am, barely breathing, and make sure that that tank is ribbed. Something about ribbed clothes really plump your besties up. Like, trust. My theory is because the vertical lines really fall into the curvature of your sisters down here. So try it out, let me know. Speaking of ribbed, my rib cages are about to pop. At the end of the day, it's just a tank and a sweater. It's not like I'm trying to be wifey material or get cuffed. That's not my intention. The color, just look how cute. You have become the cutest teddy bear, a squishmallow. Someone just wants to, look at me. I'm just kidding. Like, wear this with some gray sweatpants or even these shorts and just be like, hey, what's up? And trust me, the boys will be at your feet. Okay, out of everything so far, this is my favorite. I'm gonna wear it all the time. Oh, look how sharp this top looks. You know, in my previous White Fox haul, I said that every girl needs a staple white collar shirt. You just need it in your closet. There's no questions asked. Don't even second guess it. If you see a white collar shirt, buy it. Do you understand why now? Some conversations, we lose track of time. Okay, I'm aware that it's a little too small. It's not my fault. Yeah, the collar and the cuff matches. It's so clean, great quality. It almost looks like a cropped sweatshirt, but it's not. And then you have the classic buttons. The bottom banding here matches also the collar and cuff. It goes all around. Girl, you just look so sexy in this. Trust me. Look how nice it frames your little jiggles. This is also a plus because it's not tight on my arms. You know, sometimes the boobylicious, they do ruin the outfit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Imagine if it was more fitted. If you wonder if I hate you, I do. My final thoughts on this white collar. It looks like a sweater crop collar. Maybe the sleeves, yeah. The band, yeah. Throw on some jeans and some sunnies and find yourself a sugar daddy. Oh, it's a wrap dress. I would never pick this out for myself. I'm not a fan of the print. Normally they have a hole so you can pull out the string and like wrap it around you, but I couldn't find a hole on this dress. So like, I was stuck bringing the strings out to tie it on the side. It's also too tiny on the busticles. Is this something? I mean the silhouette is cute. There's a ruffle going down. The shoulders are nicely boxed and poofed. I guess this isn't really my style, so I'm like, I mean, it's cute because there's like a nice flare to it. Thigh-high boots. I'm just a little confused is what I am. Listen, Linda, the only way I think this would work in my style or how I do it, thigh-high boots, putting like a bandana on, e-girl makeup, a nice black shoulder bag. Can you see the vibe? But wearing this out just as is, I probably wouldn't. No. What do you think? This is a sweater from Evelette? Your style carries Evelette now, plus size. What, excuse me? That. Oh my god. The fact that they're so size inclusive for a K-style brand, that is huge to me. I love the team, I love the girls. I give this a pass. It's a little bit big on me because this is actually plus size. I do that because plus size in Korea or in Asia in general potentially includes large and extra large here in America. Honestly, I think this would fit an XL, 2XL. So roomy. I feel like you could totally fit into this comfortably. I will say it's a little short because I'm only 5 feet and this doesn't like run down to my mid thighs. It's like right under my big ass. Yeah. I love the unisex look to this jacket. It's khaki, it's neutral tone. The metal buttons complement the tones here. Although it's a basic piece, I feel like you could totally dress and layer this up with scarves, sweaters underneath. It is a little too oversized for me, so you know what? I'm totally gonna give this away because it's such a good piece. Sorry that I'm already wearing it, so please DM me on Instagram if you want this oversized jacket from Evelette. You can also layer this underneath a coat for winter. Just saying. We have sweatpants, a crew neck, and shorts. USA, look at that. There's nothing to brag about the United States of America, but that's where I'm from, so what the fuck are you on, Courtney? Okay, I kind of like this. I don't take much pride as an American because there's some shit we've done. I take pride because my parents crossed the river to come here, birthed me here, despite everything that this country has done to other people. So this is the oversized crew neck sweater. It's not as thick as you'd think a crew neck would be. I have noticed with K-style oversized sweaters, they love to like exaggerate the sleeves. Sometimes they're bell shaped or like this. I have the shorts on. You see the camel toe. Not my favorite. It's gonna cover that up, but you can totally wear it under. Mind you, I was cracking up because the sweatpants says 1996 USA American. If it was 1994, it would have been perfect. Okay, the sweatpants look a little tiny. Oh, that's the... Oh, I thought that was the butt. It's the front. Okay. Stretchy. If you ever come across a racy Karen,
1996 USA American.
I've been lifting. I hate myself. All right. The sweatpants look kind of funny. Doesn't look as flattering. It's not horrible. I prefer to just wear the sweater on its own. I'm not a huge fan of the sweatpants or the shorts. Let's just keep it up. I like the sweater. This is from the brand Maybe Baby. I've never heard of that brand on YesStyle, so it might be new. I don't know. I'm sure it's a K-style brand. A crew neck sweater like this with this font color. Watch a 10. This reminds me of one of my favorite sweaters from Lip Hop. I stained it in Tennessee. My ex had to get the stain out. I don't wear it anymore because it reminds me of my ex. Anyway. Now we have a replacement. I love this wash of lighter gray with the blue and the beige outline. Is this not the cutest sweater ever? And the banding around the wrist, the neck, and the bottom part, it's so thick. Wow, like shit. The sweater runs a little short, so I don't know if you could wear it like this. I can, however, I'm already like cautious. Call it a day. Rock hard. This is in my top 3. Put some nerd glasses on. It's a whole look. Let's not forget that I have a bachelor's in science, human biology. Do I remember anything from it? I don't. So I thought I was gonna be like this cute girl in PJs or something, but I look like this. I don't know where to start. It's stretchy. Not flattering my body out whatsoever. Style is cute, the ruffle, the print, the stretchiness, the scrunchiness to this until it's on my body. Just look at the shorts alone. Oh my god. It's very see-through. I'm not Pegnate, but I like Pegnate. Yeah. A hard no. Yeah, let's just take this off. I'll stick to my sweaters. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, ignore the whole outfit. I'm sorry. Okay, this is the realistic haul. If you're a lot taller than 5 foot, this will be very cropped on you. Quality to this is holy fuck. Yeah. The richness to this outerwear, immaculate. The color is very deep. I did feel some shoulder pads here creating this boxy frame. Buzz bitch. Button it. Ignore the outfit underneath. There's not a lot of curvature happening. I think with the appropriate attire, like some high-waisted dress pants, frames your hips nicely, would go so well with this. If you're trying to cop a good blazer, definitely look at this as an option. What if I meet up with my sugar dad when I find one? Or 2, or 3, or 4. Anyway, it's an option. Oh, look at it. This looks more like a onesie. I have something similar already, and then you can also cinch it right here. I'm gonna give this one away as well. Bet! So this is how the dress for the underpiece looks like. It has ruffles on the bottom, scoops up kind of high. It's actually longer, you can stretch it down. Preppy. Am I a fan of this dress? I mean, I like it because it's black and it like hides. It's not like my favorite cut. I'm so about it. Over top sweater, I really like. Okay, wait. Oh, I mean, I could. Okay, never mind, hold on. I'm so dramatic. It looks good with the dress. Both to the dress and this outer piece is this knitted material. It looks kind of closed off, so if you're not into like showing too much skin while wearing a dress or something, this is nice. I'm not a huge fan of this kind of cut or ruffle. Is this something I'd pick? Definitely not. Only because I'm like aware of this kind of shape. But I mean, I'm glad I tried. And that concludes today's haul. Thank you for the representative at YesStyle for sending me this box of random clothes. You didn't have to at all. I'm really appreciative of the relationship I have with them. So if you guys want to, check out the links down below and use my discount code, which I don't make a cent off at all. It's just for you to save some bucks. Make sure to go listen to my podcast. It's been very juicy. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.